Hi everyone, I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of Chandigarh Career Group. Guys, my name is Abhishek and from today we are going to start a new series in which I'm discussing the question paper of NDA Physics and we'll start from 2022 paper number 2. So let's start. The first question is that the commercial unit of electric energy is kilowatt hour, which is equals to. Now if you see it carefully, 1 kilowatt hour. Kilowatt is power and hour is time. So first of all, let me tell you that it is the kilowatt hour. Now see, kilowatt 10 raised to the power 3, 1 hour is 60 minute, 1 minute 60 second. So that comes out to be 3600 10 raised to the power 3 and I can write it 3.6 10 raised to the power 5 joule. So the correct answer is, sorry, it's 6, not 3, 5, it's 6. First option. Option number 1 is the correct answer. अगर आप ध्यान से समझेंगे तो option number 1 is the correct answer. Second one is, which one of the following statement regarding the current carrying solenoid is not correct? We have to tell कि इनमें से कौन सा correct नहीं है. So let me tell you, there are some questions that will serve as a note making for you because they will provide you some important information and that question belongs to that category. तो अगर आप इसको ध्यान से देखेंगे तो इसमें जो गलत स्टेटमेंट है that is the last one, D. This is the wrong because the magnetic field will increase. Why magnetic field will increase? Because the flux, the number of field lines which is entering through the area, that will increases. So it is the correct one. Let's move to the next. An object is made of two equal parts by volume. One part has a density of rho naught, other part has a density of 2 rho naught. So what is the average density? तो चलिए देखिए जरा. Now, what is density? What is density? Density को हम कैसे लिखते हैं? Mass upon volume. Mass upon volume. तो यहां पर rho is m1 plus m2 average, v1 plus v2. इन द क्वेश्चन हमें मास के बारे में कुछ नहीं बताया गया है तो मास की जगह हम लोग पुट करेंगे यहां से मास इज इक्वल्स टू वॉल्यूम इनटू डेंसिटी. वॉल्यूम इनटू डेंसिटी. तो यहां पे जब पुट करेंगे तो ρ1 v1 प्लस ρ2 v2 डिवाइडेड बाय v1 प्लस v2 डिवाइडेड बाय v1 प्लस v2. अब देखिए इक्वल पार्ट्स बाय वॉल्यूम, दोनों की वॉल्यूम इक्वल है तो कैंसिल. तो ρ1 प्लस ρ2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. ρ1 कितना है रो नोट, ρ2 कितना है 2 रो नोट डिवाइडेड बाय 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. तो करेक्ट वन इज 3/2 रो नोट. 3/2 रो नोट. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट. A pressure cooker cooks food by decreasing the boiling point. Boiling point वैसे तो 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस है but on the application of pressure this will decreases. वो डिक्रीज हो जाता है. तो decreasing the boiling point. Which one of the following wavelength corresponding to the wavelength of X-ray? See, X-ray, the wavelength of X-ray is very small. It can't be in meter, millimeter or this 500 meter, 5000 meter and 100 millimeter. It has to be in nanometer. तो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ही ज्यादा आसान है. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज नैनोमीटर. An electric bulb is connected to 220 volt generator. The current drawn is 6 100 milliampere power of the bulb. Power is, if you are given with voltage and current VI, voltage is 220, current is 600, but that too in milliampere, so divide it with 1000. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that comes out to be 132 watt. 132 watt. When the pitch of the sound increases, which of one of the following increases? Pitch is then an intensive property of frequency. If frequency increases, then pitch will also get increased. So it is the property of frequency. Human eye can see object at different distance with contrasting illumination. This is due to, see, our eyes has ciliary muscle which is going to adjust the focal length of the lens which is present in our eyes. So that is with respect to the accommodation. Accommodation के with respect बात हो रही है. And yes, this. What is the nature of velocity time graph for a car moving with uniform acceleration? Let me clarify certain things. Point number 1, uniform. Uniform means constant. Uniform means constant. यूनिफॉर्म का मतलब है कांस्टेंट. पॉइंट नंबर 2, कांस्टेंट एक्सेलरेशन होगा तो वेलोसिटी नीड्स टू बी स्ट्रेट लाइन. स्ट्रेट लाइन होगी. स्ट्रेट लाइन का मतलब v is twice of t. सपोज तो जब आप एक्सेलरेशन निकालोगे dv by dt तो 2, तो दैट इज स्ट्रेट लाइन. इट हैज टू बी स्ट्रेट लाइन. The amplitude of sound wave is measured in the unit of distance. बिल्कुल साफ साफ क्लियर है. Distance. A current of 0.6 ampere is drawn by electric bulb for 10 minutes. Which one of the following is electric charge? Charge जो है that is current into time. चार्ज जो है वो करंट इनटू टाइम है. अब करंट कितना है? 0. sorry, this is charge itself. 0.6 and 10 minutes change it into second. This 0 will get utilized this, and this is 36 coulomb. 36 coulomb. Next is DC generator work on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. Let me check it once again. 0.6 ampere. 10 minutes means 600 second. So 66 is 360. No, the correct answer needs to be 360. Just make this correction. Just make this correction. The correct answer is 360 because 10 second and 10 second. So if I multiply it with 10 minutes, so it will be 600 second. And when you multiply 600 second with 0.6, remove the decimal 10, cancel 60, 360. So 360 will be the answer. I think there is a misprint. ये ऐसे होगा ये. The presence of magnetic field can be determined by using magnetic needle. Emitter जो है that is used to detect the presence of current. Voltmeter जो है that is used to detect the presence of potential difference. Motor, that is a different device. It is used to create electric energy by using mechanical energy. So correct one is magnetic needle. Which one of the following statement about speed and velocity is correct? One is scalar, one is vector. Speed scalar है, velocity vector है. Speed scalar, velocity vector quantity. Two convex lens have focal length of 50 centimeter and 25 centimeter. What will be the power if they are, placed in contact with each other? See, when two lenses are in contact of each other, power will be P1 plus P2. P1 is 1 upon F1, 1/50. It is in centimeter, to change it into meter it will be 2 diopter. P2 is 1/f2, which is 1/25, 100, 4d. Both are convex lens according to sign convention, so power will be 2d plus 4d, 60. Power will be 60. Which one of the following terms cannot represent electrical power? There are three relations and you have to remember it. So this is not power, VI, I square R, V square upon R, V square upon R. So this is not the expression for power. The refractive index of a crown glass is close to 3/2 if the speed of the light in air is c, then the speed of light in the crown glass will be, देखिए refractive index is velocity of light in air to the medium. crown glass का refractive index कितना है? 3/2 upon c upon v. तो v is c 3/2, 2c/3. The volume of a sealed pack is 1 liter and its mass is 800 gram. The packet is first put inside water with density 1 gram per centimeter cube and then in another liquid B with density this, then which one of the following? एक बात जो मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा यहाँ पर, डेंसिटी अगर सॉलिड की ज्यादा है लिक्विड से तो वो सिंक कर जाएगा, सॉलिड की डेंसिटी अगर कम है तो वो फ्लोट कर जाएगा. अब मास गिवन है और वॉल्यूम, तो डेंसिटी विल बी 800 ग्राम. ये यूनिट देखिए ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. तो पहले मैं आपको बता दूं दैट 1 लीटर इज 10⁻³ सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. ये बात आपको याद रखनी पड़ेगी, 10⁻³ सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. तो 10⁻³, तो दिस इज 0.8. 0.8 is less than 1 gram per centimeter cube and 0.8 is less than 1.5 gram per centimeter cube. It means that the packet will float. दोनों में जो है पैकेट जो है वो फ्लोट करेगा. A simple pendulum having bob of mass m and length of string L has time period of t. If the mass of the bob is doubled and the length of the string is half, then time period of this pendulum will be. समझिए थोड़ा सा, टाइम पीरियड कितना है? टाइम पीरियड इस पेंडुलम का t इज इक्वल्स टू 2 पाई अंडर रूट L अपॉन G. अब मास पे डिपेंड नहीं है, लेकिन अगर लेंथ हाफ हुई है तो t डैश विल बी t और रूट की वजह से √2. तो दिस इज t बाय √2. Which one of the following device the light energy is converted into? It is the solar cell. इसका भाई एक और नाम होता है and that is photovoltaic cell. Photovoltaic cell. सोनार इज अ डिवाइस. सोनार किस वेव का यूज करता है? अल्ट्रासोनिक. सोनार इज गोइंग टू यूज अल्ट्रासोनिक वेव्स. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द स्पीड ऑफ साउंड इज नॉट करेक्ट? जो साउंड की स्पीड है वो टेम्परेचर के साथ बढ़ती है, कम नहीं होती है. जो साउंड की स्पीड है इट वॉज गोइंग टू इंक्रीज विद इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर. तो 2 पॉइंट एक दूसरे को कॉन्ट्रास्ट कर रहे हैं, तो करेक्ट नहीं पहचानना है. बी इज द करेक्ट वन. I mean correct option, not the correct statement. A bullet of mass 10 kg is horizontal fired with 300 meter per second. Law of conservation of नहीं white is good. Conservation of linear momentum. तो जो वेलोसिटी आएगी रिकॉइलिंग वो होगी m1 v1 अपॉन m. माइनस मास कितना है 10 ग्राम, 10 अपॉन 100 नहीं 1000, वेलोसिटी 300 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 kg, 1 2 3 1 2 3, it is -3 meter per second. Direction, recoiling will be in the backward direction, bullet will move in the forward direction. A microphone converts sound wave into electric signal. Sound wave into electric signal. So that's all in this video. I hope all the question will get clear to you. अब आप देख सकते हैं क्वेश्चंस कितने ज़्यादा आसान हैं. अगर आप क्वेश्चन करने में सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो रहे, इट मीन्स इट्स योर फॉल्ट. द लेवल इज नॉट वेरी हाई. यू कैन इवन achieve full marks in physics in NDA. So with that, see you in the next video. इस वीडियो को दोबारा देखना, ध्यान से देखना, बार बार देखना. This is Abhishek, physics faculty from Chandigarh Career Group, signing off. See you in the next class. Keep studying. Jai Hind.